Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will create a fillable PDF form by using Adobe Acrobat. I will open Adobe Acrobat DC Pro. Then I will click on all tools. Then go to prepare a form. You can select any form in PDF file to create a fillable form. You can scan any document or start from blank page. Then I will create a form from blank page. I will add here form name, registration form, then I will add here text field, name, further name, email, mobile number, sex, for sex we will add radio buttons, male and female. For creating PDF fillable form, I will go to form creation tools and click on add text field. You can change its name by properties. Then same process will apply and I will add new text field for father name. I will right click here and go to properties and change its name from general. Father name. Next one is email. I will change its name. Then I will add text field for mobile number. Then I will go to radio button and click before. Then I will add for female. Right click on radio button and change its name by 1. Its name, second one will be 2. Your form is ready. Then click on save and I will save it to desktop by form. Then I will close this form. You can see this form is ready. You can fill any name just like Ali, father name Ahmed, email AB, whatsoever. Mobile number, what you want to write here. Then the middle is radio buttons. You can select one of them, mail,